All right, welcome. Early morning. I'll take the plane over to the service center. So here's what we're gonna do right from the get-go. So I take off these two. These stay in my hangar. These two little static wick protectors. Oh, here comes somebody. Let's go ahead and hook up a battery. How's it going? Quick walk around, check right out. Very good. I'm checking the levels right here. Got my feet up to cover. Carpet. All right. My little red carpet right here. Out of the way. What's going on?
How are you?
You're all bundled up.
Yeah. You need anything today?
No, I'm just going to the service center. All right, he's closing the doors. I'm gonna turn off. There. All right, we'll cut through the building. Nobody here this morning. All right, we'll start back up when I get to the airplane. Check on. Venting all looks good. Every other machine's working. So we're good. All right, stay tuned. All right, I'll call you if I need you. But they should be able to.
Just looking for you.
Huh?
Steve,
What's he looking for me for?
you want to go talk to him?
Huh? All right. See ya. I'll be back after a while. All right. Another CJ right there, but that one ain't as nice as our baby. Oh, that's a CJ4. Still not as nice. I'm gonna check, make sure they didn't chock my mains. Move that chock. No chock on that main. All right. Open the door. We're gonna touch the entry light to turn that on so we can see well. going. Oh, nice, huh? Still close the door. Ooh, I have to clean that up later. I don't know where that. All right. Go ahead and get up here. Ugh. Too much turkey. Makes it hard to get in the plane. All right, let's see. You know what I need to do? We're gonna write down Hobbs and cycles. Use this light. 367.6. And 222. That's all we need from this. 222 and fuel on board. All right, put that back here. Put my pen back here. All right, we can turn off our entry light. We're gonna turn on our generators because I'm gonna do a battery start. We'll turn on our Emer lights too. What the heck? All right, I'm gonna take off my beanie so I can put on my headsets when we get rolling. All right, and normally we'd go through all this initialization page, but I'd always check. I'll check to make sure my databases are good, and they are. All right. We'll do a quick check. Why is my speaker not on? Oh, it is. Huh.
Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear.
That was weird that my fire test. Fire warning. Doing the speaker.
Forward baggage
Oh, there it
smoke.
goes. There it goes.
Forward baggage smoke. Forward baggage smoke.
Does it go? That was weird. Good.
Pause system test. Okay.
I'm gonna unplug her. Unplug that. All right, we got 24 volts. We're gonna start the right one first. We're watching fuel flow, oil pressure, fuel flow, light off, and in one rotation. And then we're just waiting for 43% for our starter to kick out. You can hear it, and also if you look down, you can see it cut out right there. It cut out. So we got a good start. I let my amps drop before I start the second one.
Airport Greensboro Tower, wind 210, forward to right, heading 270, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
All right, we'll start the left one. This is a cross generator start, so all the lights light up. We got rotation, introduce fuel. It'll hit ignition, fuel flow, oil pressure, rotation of N1 before 25%, which is good. Hit light off. Much cooler start on that side. And at 42%, the starter cut off. Both generators are online, and we'll do a quick generator check. Turn that one off. We'll get a warning. Turn that one off. Turn that one back on. We get a warning for that one. Back on. They're balanced, symmetrical, and the battery can disconnect, so we're good. I'm gonna put on my headset. Hello, hello. Now you guys can't hear me. Well, you know what I'll do? I'll put you guys in the Bluetooth. Now I can turn off my speaker. Ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Envoy 3804, contact partial SIP.
Oh, he's working. Hold up.
Sorry, did I miss somebody calling ground?
Is there a 300 Juliet Whiskey on the ramp here? Signature looking to reposition to the Cessna Service Center.
Station 300 Juliet Whiskey, Greensburg ground taxi, the citation via Kilo 1, Mike, Charlie, cross runway 23 left at Kilo 1.
Kilo 1, Mike, Charlie will cross 23 left on Kilo 1, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, we got about 2,000 pounds of fuel. Nobody's coming, I don't see anybody. We're gonna put on our lights as we cross. Alright. Hope you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Very thankful for everything we've got, all my blessings. I'm truly blessed. Yeah, for doing a job I love. I do it for free. I didn't have to have a paycheck. Right? And I'm thankful for all our family and friends and everybody that's healthy. We've been very fortunate this year. I know some people have been going through some things, but we've been very fortunate, very blessed. So, hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Definitely need to, didn't really overeat too much, but I don't know, I need to start hitting the gym more often, really. My phone keeps vibrating. I don't know what's going on, what it is. I can't get it out of my pocket right now. We'll see when we get stopped what it is. If it's something important. Oh, like a lot of planes out there. Got up their little Christmas tree.
Ground Delta 2241, ready for taxi with Foxtrot.
Delta 2241, runway 23 left, taxi via Kilo 6.
Taxi 23 left via Kilo 6, Delta 2241.
Try to get square. Got 2,000 pounds of fuel, about 1990, 1980. 1980 is what we'll put. 1990. Let's put the hooks at 1990. 1990. Alright, well thanks for watching, thanks for riding along. Like, share, subscribe. All I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna find the spare key in that little cubby, and I don't know if I disconnect the battery or not. Maybe. So, we'll probably. We'll see. Stay tuned.